Welcome to Programmers Academy. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: Java versus Python. If you're new to programming or looking to expand your skill set, this video is for you. We'll dive into the strengths and use cases of both languages to help you decide which one you should learn. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Java. It's been a cornerstone of enterprise-level applications for decades. Known for its robustness and platform independence, Java is widely used in areas like mobile app development, large-scale web applications, and more. Now, let's shift our attention to Python. It's renowned for its simplicity and readability, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Python shines in areas like web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and automation. Now, let's break down the key differences. Java offers strong typing and is well suited for large projects with strict performance requirements. On the other hand, Python's dynamic typing and concise syntax make it perfect for rapid development and experimentation. Both languages have their strengths, but it ultimately depends on what you want to achieve. Are you interested in Android app development? Java might be your go-to. Looking to dive into data science or machine learning? Python is the way to go. To sum it up, if you're aiming for enterprise-level applications and performance-intensive projects, Java is your best bet. But if you're interested in a wide range of applications, from web development to data science and AI, Python is the language to master. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Both Java and Python have thriving communities and extensive libraries. So, choose based on your interests and career goals. Thanks for joining us today at Programmers Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Happy coding!